Hey guys, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this 2021 Cherokee 264 DBH. So for starters, on the front of the unit, you do have tons of storage space here. You've got a nice little outdoor kitchen, so you've got a 2-burner stovetop, wash basin sink, a sprayer, Contour ice maker, and Contour cube refrigerator. And on the very back of the unit, you do have extra exterior storage space. Let's take a look inside. So right inside, you've got your double bunks. They do have the teddy bear mattress, so it is ultra soft. Here's your bathroom. It does have a motion sensor light. Pretty light outside, so it didn't notice me. You've got your toilet, you've got a shower with a deep basin, and your medicine cabinet and vanity. On the slide, you've got a cafe-style dinette with the super deep drawers. They do extend to the very back of the dinette. You got a jackknife sofa. Over here is your entertainment center, so you've got a TV mount, there's all your hookups, radio, and a 30-inch Furrion fireplace. In the kitchen area, you've got a huge pantry, 12-volt Furrion refrigerator and freezer, driven microwave, and a 3-burner Greystone stovetop and oven, along with a large single basin apron front sink and tons of cabinetry here. Back here in the bedroom, you've got a closet on each side of the bed, along with nightstands, USB outlets, and regular outlets, 2 reading lights, some cabinetry, and of course your bed. It is a walk-around bed. And then you've got a nice closet here, along with a second entry door. Come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.